Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the June cloth and paper stationery subscription box. One thing that you'll notice is the time block method, the Pomodoro method, is the main theme of this sub box. It's not everything, but there are a lot of things related to it. So you have a journal card that has some prompts on the back for time blocking, and then this portable timer that came with. It's very nice and very lightweight. And when you open it up, you can actually move what time that you're going to set for the activity. It's very, very nice. And there's a dry erase board that came with it. And if you want to use it for traveling, there's a nice little bag to put it in. And there are three other things that go along with this Pomodoro technique. One is the dashboard. Then you've got a very nice dry erase board that you can use to track things. Here I think you can see it a little bit better over the black. It's got white on it. It's very attractive. And this looks like it'll fit in almost any size planner. There's a new insert, which is a weekly schedule. And there are some notes pages in here like this with a graph. And then there's also a weekly timed area. And these are undated, and it's a nice amount of those. Moving on to the rest of the items, these are some highlight stickers, and they are very nice. They're small, and I can see lots of uses for these in my planner. Transparent, obviously. There are 2 pages for each of the designs. Of course, you've got the card for August to stick in the front of your planner. And you also have this beautiful journal card. This new dashboard with a French theme motif is on the nice velvet matte stock. I'm very excited about these sticky notes. You look at it at first and it just looks like it's a graph paper sticky note, but no, it is transparent. So that is very exciting. If you've been around the cloth and paper subscription boxes for a while, you know that in June we start to get a future month. This time we got both July and August, and these are a month's worth of weekly calendars, and they're in the refreshed layout. And this time it's very different because instead of saying the name of the month on the front, you've got a beautiful photograph. So this one is July and this one is August. The layout starts out with some notes, goals, intention, and bills due. And then you've got 2 pages for the month and some room for important dates and notes at the bottom and a checklist on the right. The layout for the weeks looks similar to what we've seen before, but I think it looks more sophisticated with a change in font. And I think the lines are a little bit lighter. And last but not least is a new pen, surprise. And it's got some heft to it, but it's slender, metallic. I think it's very beautiful because of the all black. And it's the Zebra G450. I was so excited to see this, and then I went to try it and realized that it was a 0.7. Which kind of blew my mind because this girl likes 0.3, 0.35, 0.38. However, when I tested it out, it is thick, but I'm thinking for titles and to divide up pages, it's going to be great. So I'm actually really happy about it. Of course, there's a contest, and it's very simple to enter. Make sure you're subscribed, follow me on Instagram, leave a comment below and tell me which item is your favorite from this sub box. The contest closes on July 4th, so check the comments on July 5th to see if I've replied to you to tell you that you have won. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.